Hi guys, I think this is just going to be a short little video here, and this just came to me as I was trying to sort out some things for another journal that I'm making. So Tim Holtz makes these window frames, and they're the big chunky ones. And so someone told me that you can break them apart so that they're not so thick. So I did that. I was able to get 3 out of this one window, but I didn't want to waste these 2 things because they're cool. So I thought I could I am going to glue book page on there. I don't know if this will work, but I thought I would try it. So I'm just going to go around this one. This one is the very middle. It's the weakest one. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. But I didn't want to, waste it and not try it. I guess I'll just kind of go in the middle. Okay. Got that. I don't know if I want to fold it over. I kind of think I want to fold it over if I can. So I'm just going to, probably isn't on there straight either. I wonder if I could, no, it's not too bad. Okay. So I'm just going to cut it just a little bit around, maybe not as small as 1/8 of an inch, but not as big as 1/4 of an inch. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of corner these off. Okay, let's see if I just, a little glue here. This just makes the edges have a little bit of strength and looks on the edge. Okay, and this will be glued down to the back of your, glued down to whatever you're putting it on, your tag or your journal card or whatever. Because, see, I was going to put some of these on some tags that I'm planning to do, and they were thick. So I think you could cover it in tissue. I even pulled out my Tim Holtz, tissue paper, but it's too much of it would be too light that this brown paper would show. I'm just going to trim this so I can... so it's not in the way there. Okay. And now, oh, I guess I need something to cut. I'm going to try, and first I'm just going to try to cut it across. And then I was thinking I could maybe cut them with scissors, but I don't think so. But we'll just try this. Ah! My blade might not be as sharp as it should be. Now let's just try and go around. I don't know if this seems like a lot of work to this, but it's just the paper that's causing this problem, or where it's ripping. It could just be that the book page is too delicate. Okay. I've got so many cuts in this piece of plastic already that kind of wavers and goes where it wants. Alright, so there's that, but it does look kind of messy. Let's see if I can... This emery board doesn't really have any grit to it anymore. I don't have an emery board. Maybe this one's got a little bit more. I don't think I want to have this much work. So it could be just because my X-Acto knife, whatever, my knife was not sharp enough. Okay. I don't care if I take some of the writing off the paper, just makes it look more, oop, not that much. Oh no, I wonder if I could glue it back. Looks like pill paint. Oh, oops. I don't know if I can fix this or not. Now my short film has become long because it's the story of my life, you guys. Can't do anything right. I hate those little straggly pieces, but all right, I'm going to ink around it. I'm sure some of these windows wouldn't be so hard to... I mean, some of the frames, window frames, wouldn't be so hard to cut afterwards. Probably should just leave it and then just go over it, the whole thing. Okay, so there's that. So let's put it like over something that, I don't know what I have on my desk. light, but it would be something like that. I think that's cool. I mean, even though it is a little shreddy looking. Let me see if I can find another image. So I could put something like that underneath. I like that. All right, let me, so, let's see. I was just thinking, I kind of like that first one I picked, this one. So I'm just going to go around this. Now, if you had something already on your page that you wanted to stand out, I probably should have looked and see. But I was just going to make this a little short video for you guys. And you could put, I could have put some stuff in it. Oh, that would have been really cute. Didn't think of it in time. Now, I don't know that you could call this like a journal card or anything. If you wanted to, you could back the back with cardstock. And it could be written on, but I think I would just glue it onto a page as part of the decor. So that's it. I'm going to go have a little bit of lunch, and then I'll come back and do my regular video. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.